So in early March 2020, we took a group of students on a bus. We travelled south and we headed to Perthshire. Our destination was Comrie Croft, so that we could do a live build exercise. Comrie Croft's one of these great places that has landscape and camping and activities, and this forest around about it was great at that time of year. And they have these katas, which are sort of tumbled through the landscape. And they're like tents that you can sleep up to 6 people in. They're fabulous. And the project that they asked us to look at was these outside cooking areas to be attached to the tents to allow people to cook while they're staying in them. So we set the students up with a task, go out and survey, look at the various sites.
So yeah, just taking measurements, drawing little plans, and see how we can just adapt the form, the shape, the function to how people can use each of these sites.
There was a lot of sketching that went on. It was a nice day, so they managed to draw outside in the forest. And because of where we were staying, there was a lot of possibilities to sit about and do group work.
Yeah.
Obviously, you don't want it to trickle into where people are.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the size of this is the size of one of these side walls.
And the students developed up different ideas within small teams, all working in the one place. It was noisy and frenetic, pretty much what a studio should be.
So this is a kata 4, which is the one that's kind of raised up, has a raised deck with it, and you can kind of overlook the dining area as of the current moment. We had an idea of, again, like similar to other groups as well, having a kind of fabric sort of roof that's connected to the existing, and then having continuing on the deck, and then having framed views between the trees, and then continuing having a seating area that goes towards the fire pit and makes it a very flexible sort of space.
It's not just like a square kind of deck, we've kind of made it fit in the site. So yes, we've looked where the trees are and where kind of drops are, so it kind of like flows from the path up towards the street.
So all the ideas were presented to the crofters, and they chose certain elements of them. The social aspect was a big thing within the trip, and the students just came together, they cooked for each other, they played games, we had a quiz night. And then using hand tools, the students put their vision into place.
No, because you can attach it to it.
Some of them had to develop new skills, some of them had to think laterally about how things go together, but they all worked together as teams to produce these finished kitchen units, worktops. Not the biggest of schemes, but the results were really quite impressive for 3 days.
Where's this?
Okay.
Fly.
In your own time.
Wait, one more.